Who is the developer of Java? James Gosling. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems. In which year Java was developed? 1991. Which provides runtime environment for Java bytecode to be executed? JVM Java Virtual Machine. What is bytecode in Java? Code generated by a Java compiler. In Java, JDK stands for Java Development Kit. How many type of comment in Java? 2. Single line comment. Multiple line comment. Correct syntax to create multiple line comment in Java. Asterisk asterisk. In Java, function is called as method. Constructor is used to initialize the object. Full form of Java C. Java compiler. How many loops are there in Java? 4. For loop. For each loop. While loop. Do while loop. Which loop always execute at least once even condition is false? Do while loop. Do while loop is known as exit control loop. What is the purpose for using loops? For repetition. What is the default value of static variable? 0. Which keyword is used for accessing the features of a package? Import. Which of the package contain all the collections classes? Java, util. What is the extension of Java code files? .java. How many primitive data types in Java? 8. What is the Java distribution type used to build web apps in Java? Java EE Enterprise Edition. Java language was initially called as Oak. Which symbol is used to contain the values of automatically initialized in array? Braces. In Java, arrays are objects. Identify the modifier which cannot be used for constructor. Static. Which is the data type used mostly to handle streams and buffers in Java language? Byte. Which kind of language Java is? Object-oriented. Java is a programming language. High-level language. Java arrays is a collection of similar type of elements. Arrays data access by using index. Index in arrays start from 0. How to calculate the length of an array using array.length. In which of the package exception class exist? Java. .lang. Which method returns the class of an object? getClass. Number of arguments can be passed to main is infinity. Which keyword is used to inherit a class in Java? Extends. A private member of a class is accessible to only members of the same class. Which doesn't have a body? Abstract method. Which feature of OOP boosts the code reusability? Inheritance. What is the size of a char data type constant in Java? 2 bytes. What is the size of an int integer in Java? 4 bytes. What is the size of a floating point number in Java? 4 bytes. What is the size of a long integer in Java? 8 bytes. What is the size of a double floating point number in Java? 8 bytes. Every statement in Java language should end with semicolon. Which type of applications are created through the Java programming language? Standalone. Web application. Mobile application. Standalone applications are known as desktop applications or window-based applications. Web applications are known as server-side applications or web applications. Mobile applications are known as Android applications or Java ME applications. String in Java is a class. Thank you.